Hello, I updated my bird game. You can already see it, version 1.0. We're gonna go through it. We're gonna go through the update, see what changed, and we're gonna play around with it because 44 views. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Bird. You can click it. This is so dumb. And if you really have good ears, you'll notice it sounds like it's coming to the left. Also, his eyes. First of all, there's a new main menu. Hold on. Okay, there's a bunch of buttons. Play, control and instructions, options, notes and credits. I'm gonna just try. Okay, controls and stuff. Use arrow keys to navigate or burn a very This is the backward. He takes you back. Yeah, and then yeah, exactly. I'm not gonna really go through this, but yeah. And there's options. This doesn't not work yet. This will do nothing. But G. Yeah, okay. Changelogs are here. And other stuff like coming up. You can read this if you want. Credits. That's about it. Okay, now we can actually there's not really much that changed here. Except for this new version number. Oh yeah, there's new birds. Shred.
Look at the goldfish. Yay, goldfish.
What the heck? What happened? Yeah, they're all normal birds now. What? That's a bug. Witness. Why are y'all so fast? Wait. I can't spawn in birds. Help. Okay, what? I'm gonna go. Take it towards your cursor. I need to fix something, and it's if you have another bird, and you're like dragging it to go to it, you can accidentally kill it. Oh no. So I'm gonna have to fix that. So now, okay, look at these birds. If I make all them, they're Let's go ahead and go through all the keys. So you press 1. Okay, 2, what does it do? Oh, yay. That's a bug. I'm not getting it. Sepana! And who are... Sepana 2? Yo, no, Sepana! Whoa! But your arc, so... Okay, that's not really a big deal. I could probably keep it like this. Okay, what does 3 do? That's another bug. Oh, it only works on new clones. Oh god! 4. Oh. Wait, why are y'all still... Wait, what? Why are y'all still... Anyways. Oh, that's another bug. Oh, you're mad? You almost bad. Mickey Big do. No! So, what does 5 do? Nothing, apparently? I don't think it works. Oh yeah, I had a jaw. Why did that scare me? 6? Seven? Why does it sound lower pitched?
bird,
What a thing, bird.
bird,
Stop saying bird! Stop!
bird, bird,
Stop!
bird, bird, bird,
Ah! Ah! Stop showing. 8. Oh, 8 does nothing. What about 9? What does 0 do? Actually, I already know all these. I don't know why. Okay, in the original, really first version that I never showcased, this is way better, but it's kind of broken. And that's bird. I don't really know what to do now. Could we get Del, Mia, French? He looks French. Zape. Oh yeah, you can make it your username. That's all. I didn't think I would name it. Don't ask why it's called that. I made it like a long time ago. Try up. He got try ups when I named these. Bounce. He looks like someone who would bounce, but he's gonna die. Wait. I'm sure we're all dying to know what would happen if